How to download Instagram on MacBook Air Pro or Intel? Well, let's get straight into the video. The first things first, what you gotta do is you'll have to understand that there is a dedicated Instagram app for Mac, whether it is a MacBook Air Pro or Intel based model. The best way to use Instagram on your Mac is to access the Instagram website in a web browser like Safari. So you can simply head into your web browser, and as I've done so on screen, you can see you can head into instagram.com, and there on the website you can go ahead and easily log in, right? You can also create a shortcut to the Instagram website on your desktop or dock it for earlier access. All you gotta do is launch Safari, Chrome, or your preferred web browser, type instagram.com into the address bar and press enter. Enter your username and password to log into your Instagram account. If you wish to, you can create a shortcut to desktop. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.